everybody, welcome back to my channel if you've been here before, or if you're new here then welcome. My name is Eve. I post all sorts of makeup and beauty related videos. I have been a bit absent lately, but I'll maybe kind of explain why at the end of this video, but I don't want to bore people that don't care. Apologies if you hear the wee one running about, but I just thought I'd quickly do an unboxing. I haven't even set up like my proper equipment. I've literally just got my camera on the tripod in front of me, but I just thought what a kind of quick simple video, and it is an unboxing. This, you wouldn't really know it to look at it, but I think it is the BPerfect parcel. Yeah, it's BPerfect Cosmetics. I ordered one of each of the mystery bags, so there was a small, a medium and a large. I think they were £10, £20 and £30 respectively. I have heard that these aren't like split, like they aren't actually in bags, everything's just thrown in together, but I really hope not, because I want to be able to show you what's in kind of each one. But let's just open up and see what's inside. So I've got my invoice. I love the paper that they wrap it in. Yeah, everything's just flung in together. Is this? Right, okay. So I can't tell you what's in each one, but I can tell you that this cost me £60 for everything. If you go and watch other reviews, you might be able to tell what one's in each one, but I don't even know where to start. Well, we just start with some lashes. So I see possibly 3 pairs of lashes. We have these ones. These are the Universal Luxe Silk Lashes. So I think the artist, does that mean they're real silk? I'm not sure, but these are some really pretty full lashes. I really like them, they're lovely. You got Peppa? Right, go and ask Karen to help you open it. So yeah, they're really nice. And then we have another set, and these are, they're all called Universal, so how do you know? Right, okay. So the first ones that I just showed you are called Power. And then we have these ones. These are the Tahiti Lash, so I'm assuming these were in the collection with the Tahiti palette. So they are quite similar, but I would say just a bit kind of less dramatic, but really, really pretty lashes. I'm really looking forward to trying them. And again, they're Luxe Silk. And then these ones are really pretty. These are the Jacqueline Josa ones in the colour, not the colour, the shades, the style Queen. But these are really pretty lashes. I'll get a lot of use out of them. I think they're kind of wispy, full, but not too full. So yeah, they're nice. Then we've got a pop socket. They come in handy, I suppose. Then I see some lip products. So let's see what we have. So I have 2 double glazed lip glosses and I've got 3 double glazed lip glosses. So I have 1 red and kind of 2 neutral ones. I'd like to see a lipstick instead of just 2 lip glosses, but I don't know if that's just me. But this is this colour. Oh, this is gorgeous. It looked like it was going to be more red from the box, and it's coming up more red on camera, but it's actually this gorgeous coral colour, and I will definitely swatch this one because this is pretty. Oh yeah, what a fun summery colour that is. I really like that. It does smell nice. Yeah, but like I was saying, I would have liked maybe a lipstick instead of 3 lip glosses. I'm not the biggest lip gloss kind of girl. Then we have Pink Frosting, which is this kind of pink colour. I may not keep this one, I may put it in a giveaway, so I'm not going to swatch that just now because I'll just see what other lip glosses I've got in my collection. And then we have Drip Drip, which looks like a kind of pale nude, which is a very, very pale nude. So again, I may keep it, I might not. I will put it up against kind of other ones that I've got in my collection that are similar tones and see if I need it, because lip gloss isn't something that I wear kind of day to day, so there's no point in me having too many. But that coral colour is gorgeous. And then we have the Bad Llama mascara. Yeah, mascara is always handy. I have got loads, but they are good to keep as a backup because you are only supposed to use them for 3 months. Then I have got 3 highlighters. So I have a Silk Sheen. Now I would say I would have liked to see a palette in at least one of these mystery bags. Possibly the large one, like they could have put in the Manifest palette, or like one of the older, for fuck's sake, the older Carnival ones. Sorry, okay, my dog's trying to scratch himself against my foot. Now, I've never tried to get wet highlighter, so I'm not sure what these are like, but I'm excited to have them. So this first one is a very pale colour, a bit risky putting these to go in a mystery bag, but there we go. Let's just swatch this. It does look quite glittery and it does feel wet. It feels like such a unique texture, and it is, I don't know if you can see that, it is squidgy. This is, okay, right, not my usual kind of thing. It's kind of blue and iridescent, but I don't think I've got anything quite like that. And believe it or not, there is times like the other day when I was like, I really wish I had a blue highlight. It would be good for kind of inner corner or for kind of more creative looks, so I'm quite glad to have that. Then the next one I have the colour Soft Silk. If I can get in it. Oh, do it the wrong way round. So this one is, oh, might be too dark for me, but I will give it a swatch. I do use fake tan sometimes. This again is, it might be too dark, but I might be able to get away with that when I put fake tan on. And if not, I will find someone that can use it. And then I have this one, which is called Hollow Glaze, and this one is kind of similar in tone, but this one has got a kind of pink, kind of bronzy shift. The texture of these is so unique, and that is a cool colour. Like the lighting in here doesn't do that justice, but it's kind of like bronze to kind of pink shift.
Mom.
That's cool. Again, maybe a tiny bit dark for me. I find the colours that they put in here maybe quite interesting. But I suppose mystery boxes are usually for kind of getting rid of stuff that maybe isn't selling. I don't know. But yeah, they're fine. And I think the thing about mystery boxes is sometimes it does get you trying things that you wouldn't normally try. And then probably what is the star of the show is these liquid eyeshadow. I'm sorry about this lighting being so bad. I shouldn't have been so lazy and put on my lights. But these are the Glamour Glitter Liquid Eyeshadow. And this has got 3 shades, Stars, Buzz and Jewels. I'm pretty sure Mitchell loves these, doesn't he? I've never tried any of these and I do like my glitter. So first one is this kind of silvery one. This is in the colour Stars. Oh, that is pretty. Let's stop it. So it is down there. I mean, obviously you can see what it is. That is really pretty. And then the next one I have is Buzz. These are nice, they're so glittery. So that is the colour Buzz. That's really nice. And then finally for liquid eyeshadows I have the colour Jewels, which is a gorgeous rose gold colour. Aren't they beautiful? They are some of the nicest liquid shadows that I've actually used. I've not used them, but I've actually swatched. So please let me know if you do have these. Like, how do they work on the eyes? Do they crease? Like, I do have hooded eyes obviously, so sometimes like liquid shadows kind of crease a bit much. So yeah, let's just put that away. I think this is pretty much it. I'll glitter everywhere. Then we have got the big mirror. So this is the Reflect and Perfect Stacey Marie mirror. I have got a couple of mirrors now, but mirrors are a nice thing. Like, you always need a mirror, really, aren't you? So this was a nice thing to include. And this is a nice one. I will definitely keep this.
Mum.
What?
My friends.
Yeah, your friends. Yeah. So this is the mirror, nice big size, good kind of feels quality. So yeah, I'm quite glad to have that actually. That's good. I have looked at buying like this Stacey Marie mirror before and I just never got around to it. And then we have the bags. So yeah, they're literally just the bags. They're just thrown in the bottom. Yeah, I mean I'll find uses for them, like these two I'll probably keep. They are the same size? Yeah, they're the same size. These two I'll probably keep just for doing a future giveaway. I will be doing a giveaway when I hit 500 subscribers. So do please stick around if you haven't already subscribed and keep an eye out for that, because I will try and make it good and I'll be able to put the stuff in these wee bags. I mean, this wee bag, I don't know what I'm going to use it for, but I will keep a hold of it. So my final thoughts, well, it is kind of hard for me to give you my final thoughts because I don't know what came in each bag. I don't know what came in the large one, I don't know what came in the medium one, but I can say, not including the bags, I did get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 items. I'm not including a pop socket because that's a pop socket, but I think that's pretty good for £60, you know. I would have liked a palette of some sort, like the Manifest palette would have been nice, because P. Louise this month is putting a palette in our budget boxes, which I have ordered one of them as well. So it would have been nice for one of their kind of cheaper palettes to be in like the large mystery box with like maybe one other thing or two other things, but I can't complain with what I've got. Those highlighters are cool because they're in a different colour like to ones that I've got. Like, I don't have anything like them. That coral lip gloss was gorgeous. They've done a good move by including the lashes that they have, because they are 3 quite different styles. Like, quite often you'll get ones that just look the same. And by putting 2 nude lip glosses in as well, you're kind of satisfying the kind of more neutral lovers. So yeah, I think this is a decent box, you know. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. So yeah. yeah. If you did like this video, then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Please leave me a comment down below saying if you picked these up, and if you've seen any other unboxings, if everyone's getting the same thing. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because I'm kind of getting close to 500. I'm hopefully going to film tonight or tomorrow night like an actual makeup video. It'll probably be like a full face of collection, because I've had stuff sitting for months and just not get around to using it because I want to try and get my mojo back. So yeah, that's all for me, so bye.